Rigereria umuyiga w'ukubikirwa kigutu abaruka gwitania chiminye abo babere bagosoma ensi omurobiri bwajiri nabo igo Center for Training and Development CDT nigo kolekana ase amagacho ya maigerio y'abaremi ime county ya Kisii ATC abo ase Ishmael Nyakoni oyoro motendri bo murobiri oyo bwajiri n'abarayibanda abo bai semego kya koegenderia kwerikia ase omurobiri oyo eri kwenyorera nibo mangana yekerero eri kwegenderia ase amagimabo boigo niga babwatani kurwa ase University ya Tangaza bakorogwa na Dr. Patrick Onchwado abaikira na ase ribagaria ya Professor Nyamboga nigo bono baikaroro na kuboria abasayi kwerikia ase University eyo eri kwenyorera amaigerio yo kwegenderia ase amagimabo murikito Pethuel Machini na mange Aboroki wetania chiminye abo babere bagosomewa bena gwetira somubiri wa jiri nabo igo Center for Training and Development CTD sub-county Oche county ya Kisii abo bono banyoreiro bosemia igoro chinchira cyo butumeki bwe chinchira cyekerero nabo igo butumeki obuyebwe nenga gace chinde nigo chikurerero babekiro chuguta samagacho baremi Kisii ATC
program ya chagete kuno mugavana asomwako 2023 mutinyo kabere. Since then to graduate ya wanafunzi wale over 39,000 graduation ikome na kabere kese tuwa chagete omurobiri itubwa ajiri waigo lero ntubwate a partner college eyere tuwabere tugo sponsor abanafunzi baitu bakogenda gukora chikosi au after bakorere kuru ajiri amone chikosi abanafunzi bako graduate na mangana a social work and community development waigo ntubwate abanafunzi bande tuwa sponsored bakagenda gukora mangana perioperative theater technology tuwata wanafunzi bande bakora mangana counseling psychology na secretarial.
Sometimes it's not easy. We scratch our heads to see that you get the best. Na ndio sababu mumeketi hapa mumevaa gowns.
Kaukwana baralia nigo Ishmael Nyakoni oyoro moteni bo morobero yo bwajiri atebere nabasaya bange nigo bakonye kirasi kirengo kigoro gwetera somorobero yo oyo letetwe no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Mosque Paul Simbarati.
Nomogoko monene asenge njaba wanafunzi ya gavana ya scholarship banyale ko bago korumukyo monene bono banyale ko bago graduate na ande boigo babele bagokora matemwa a Kenya National Examination Council ige meeting n'abantu ba qualify bya bagwenda kosoka isiko bakolega asi elinde bakonye nsi yeito na kusiye yeito
abarai baikirana regati yabo jo makumba oyoro mosemia senseme murobere yabe na service mugabana nigonera togire murobere ya nene ko bakonya basaye wetanga no butumeke bwa Mariogo yogo tindia
program ya jiri yaitiria wanafunzi more than 39,000 bakorua semechi RNC. Sometimes abantu bakopingega asio mugavana but I want to say your excellency governor mbuyamono sana asenginje kokonya abantu abataka banyore nafasi yo gukora short courses na bali babere sponsored bakora course mbalimbali erinde basoya se field bakore mirimo yabo batyenje n'ekinyo basi baruweta
abwatse nikorasi University ya Tangaza nigo baborire boiga basaye kone kimunango kora bali mirimo yamaboko na monele bagosemiwa school cha TVET erinde bakonye kasa matukare bosyo.
The issues in the society and they should be prepared to be people who solve problems. And as well as people who are not seeking jobs, but people who can be creative enough.
Have TVET courses, and with these TVET courses, our examining body is TVETA SIDAC, and we are so happy to be affiliated with this college because now we'll help our students in wholesome.
Asinseme yabono nigo kefanyaga ko yoromo director wa school ya Center for Training and Development atogire ko bwatira na kurega tia serikali ye county ya University ya Tangaza abo asabate bino nerebo ya kubwatira na irego kinekerengo gechisemi mense ya Kenya
gaire bago soka isikoga ogende Kisii referral teaching and referral hospital konyorura abana baitu baroro and in various entities chia wanafunzi through Center for Training and Development. They will graduate through Tangaza University by kokora imerobiri yabo yechikos.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV koroika ATC me county ya Kisii Pethuel Machini.